Such a cute place to stop. There's a beautiful toilet there. It's really clean. And it's not so far from Oslo. Come on. Well, yeah, it's Norway, but I mean Oslo. It's 103 kilometers to Oslo from here, following E16. But we're not going to Oslo, we are going in the opposite direction. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I've posted myself talking on YouTube. You know, life happens. I have a lot of work to do, and to me work comes first, and then YouTube and all the other stuff comes second. And that's why it's hard for me to post regularly, and I have a lot of materials that I've not posted from our last trip last year. A lot of dash cams that I still need editing, a lot of drones that I still need editing. So this year I decided I will not be posting any long videos, you know, from dash cams, because I still have a lot that I need to post from last year, and we are basically following the same roads, so there's basically nothing new to see, the same thing. So as soon as I get the time, I'll edit those dash cams and the drones for your pleasure, for your enjoyment, and I will post them, yeah, as soon as I have edited them. In the meantime, this year I will just post short clips of our holidays. This year we're not going so far north. We won't go so far north. We'll just the southern part of Sweden and Norway, and we're taking our time, you know, stopping over a place, walking around, you know, just taking our time because we don't want to rush. And every now and then I'll just be posting that. I've posted a few videos on my TikTok from our stopovers in Sweden, so if you've not seen them, you can go there and check them out. And yeah, I hope you're going to like, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, I hope you're going to subscribe too, and hope to see you here again soon. My eyes are red because I'm not drunk or anything. I have hay fever, and when I stay outside, sometimes I get this allergic reaction, and that is why my eyes look like red. But I'm quite okay. It's manageable, nothing big. So hoping to see you here soon again, and enjoy the rest of the clips. It's on our way to a national park from Sweden. I don't remember the name of the national park. I will put the link down below. That's where you're planning to spend the night, but it seems like it's gonna be too long because right now it's going to 6 p.m. and we are tired of driving because, you know, you can't drive so fast here, you know, you drive so slowly. So even covering like 300 kilometers takes a lot of time. So we are planning on spending the night somewhere near here and then moving on tomorrow to the national park. That is the plan we have at the moment. What else? Yeah, so like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the clip, and see you around. for the day. Hakuna Matata, as usual. My German saddles, my German socks representing, because yesterday I got so wet and I only have one short and it's still wet, so I'm still trying to dry it. That's actually why we stopped here, because you want to use the sun to dry our wet clothes before continuing. But this is such a beautiful place, just look at it, guys. Anyway, this is beautiful. These are the things that I love about Norway and Sweden. We were just in Sweden just a few hours ago. Now we're in Norway, and we have to move on to the next destination. I'm gonna see you there. Keep you updated.